Diffusing seems simple, right? Just add some water to a diffuser, add some oil, and turn it on. But if you've ever felt like you're overwhelming the room or wasting essential oils, you're not alone. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the only 3 types of oils you need to build out a massive scent collection, 5 biggest mistakes that are likely wasting your money and destroying your diffuser, and finally, the simple 3-part blending strategy that will make your home smell like a high-end hotel every time. Let's dive in. Diffusing is one of the easiest ways to change how a room feels. With a few drops, you can set the mood, make the room feel fresh, and create a comforting space without sprays, candles, or heavy chemicals in the air. But the real magic happens when you do it intentionally. That means picking oils that really fit your space, blending scents that match the season, and keeping things simple, gentle, and personal. It starts with a few oils and the right tools. I always like to keep a citrus, wood, and floral essential oil on hand. These are my 3 go-to types of essential oils because they always smell good together and can make any room feel intentional. But to truly enjoy your diffusing, you need to have the right delivery method. In fact, having a few different options is the secret to making your home smell amazing all day. Here are the tools I recommend keeping on hand. Electric diffusers are perfect when you need a quick, adjustable scent. Reed diffusers are low maintenance and allow for constant aroma. Shower diffusers are steam-powered and amazing for mornings. Passive diffusers are perfect for bedrooms and small spaces, where you want something subtle and decor-friendly. And inhalers offer portable scent support. Once you've got your tools, everything else becomes effortless. Alright, let's talk about what most people get wrong, the 5 biggest mistakes in diffusing. First off, using too much oil. Start with 4 to 6 drops. You can always add more. 2, not cleaning your diffuser. A quick wipe keeps scents clear and pure. Mistake number 3 is running your diffuser non-stop. Your nose needs breaks. Some diffusers have interval modes where it will diffuse for 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. I recommend this. Mistake number 4 is using poor quality essential oils. Pure, tested oils deliver the best experience, like the essential oils from Simply Earth. Mistake number 5 is trapping your pets. Always leave the door open when you're diffusing essential oils so your pet can leave if the scent is too strong for them or bothers them. Once you have the basics down, diffusing stops being a chore and becomes a creative ritual. Here are 3 ways to keep diffusing fun, functional, and creative. First, switch scents seasonally. Don't let your nose get bored. Match the essential oils to the season or the weather outside. Number 2, try pairing different oils together. This is where the magic happens. Try a citrus plus a spice, like lavender and clove. Or try other fun combinations like winter spice blend plus coffee. Just a heads up on spicy oils like clove, just use 1 or 2 drops. A little bit goes a long ways. Tip number 3, the life cycle of a blend. When a bottle gets low, don't toss it. Use it in a reed diffuser or in a shower diffuser to make use of every last drop. If you want a simple formula for diffusing, try this one. Pick a bright note, that's your citrus, a warm note, that's your floral or spice, and a grounding note, that is your wood essential oil. Then start with 1 drop of each. If it feels good, build it up from there. Diffusing doesn't have to be complicated. It's simple, it's relaxing, and creates an intentional home. If you want to go deeper into the world of diffusing, I have a free cheat sheet you can grab with the link below. And if you try that bright, warm, grounding formula, tell me in the comments. I can't wait to hear what you create. That's all for this episode of Diffusing with Katie. I'll see you in the next video.